When somebody insults us, depresses us, somebody talks bad about us to others, we become depressed. We feel insulted. We get demoralized. Most of the students tell me, sir, I felt insulted at that moment when that guy said to me, bad things, and I felt that time demoralized. But this is a time to purify yourself. An ordinary person says, whenever any bad situation occurs, the the ordinary person feels insulted, runs away from that situation. But here, an intelligent person who has the intelligence, who has the talent, never runs away from this responsibility, never runs away from that situation. The, the intelligent person says, it is the opportunity to purify yourself. It is the situation. What is the situation? When you come across an adverse circumstance, when you come across those adversities which are completely against you, they are completely demoralizing you, insulting you, but the greatest thing which you are gonna do, you are accepting it. You are purifying these all things through these adversities. You no need to use any soap, any water. Without soap, without water, you are purifying your mind. An intelligent person looks for these all things, but an ordinary person never does it. Ordinary person feels insulted when there is a reason to feel attached, but you are not attached. When there is a reason to get angry, but you are not annoyed. When there is a reason to feel bad, but you are not feeling bad. It means you are gonna make something different. This is your perspective. Some people find these things as a problem. They find the negativity in that. But some people who are really genius, they find the opportunity in these problems. They look for the solution. They try to purify themselves through these problems. There was one person who was very famous in village. All people used to love except one guy. He was already devious, he was very cunning, he used to abuse him, but the intelligent person who was loved by whole village never used to say anything else. Once the devious guy, last time at the last moment, devious person uh, just passed away. All villagers felt happy. They took this news to that intelligent person. The villagers said, your enemy has passed away. The guy who really disturbed you has passed away. Listening to these sentences from villagers, the intelligent person felt too much sad. He even tears started rolling down over his cheeks and all. Then villagers got shocked. They asked, why you are why you are crying, though your enemy has passed away? He said, he was not my enemy. He was the one beautiful way who was purifying myself, who was purifying me. He is the person, yeah, he was the person, just because of him I completely started progressing. The more he hated me, the more I progressed in my life. Now how would I progress? So this was the perspective of that intelligent person. He found the positivity in that adversity. So whenever you want to purify yourself and you feel that people are criticizing you it means have the opportunity to purify yourself. As lots of my students, they feel very happy. So there's a reason to be pride, to feel pride, but you don't feel proud, because somehow you are gonna get the adversities in that. So when you are gonna get the adversities, so these adversities are becoming opportunities for you to purify yourself. So whenever you feel people are demoralizing you, they are not demoralizing you, they are giving you opportunities to purify. And what is the purification? You know very well. When you feel that people are commenting, they are passing sarcastic remarks, they are chiding you about your tasks, they are reprimanding you about your tasks, it means you have the chance to improve, you have the chance to progress. Accept their things and tell them thanks, give them the gratitudes. They are the part of our progress life. So when you want to progress in your life, when you want to purify yourself, so please keep these people along with you who are supporting you to progress in your life. Thank you guys for listening to me.